Okay, this is a quick introduction video on how to show irrational numbers on a number line and how to best decipher what the correct answer is by using Desmos. So here on the left-hand side, we see the question. It says point Q is shown on the number line. Which value is best represented by point Q? Well, in Desmos, I can go ahead and put in these values, and remember, if I want a value on the number line, I'm going to have to put x equals, which is what we did yesterday. As you can see too, the question, the point Q is in between 5 and 6, but closest to about 5.5, okay? But it's lower than 5.5. So what I can do is I can go ahead and put in all these values by putting x equals, and the first value is square root 5 4/10. The next value is x equals square root 29 5/10. The next value would be x equals, oops, not x pi, sorry, x equals the square root 35.5. And finally, the fourth option is x equals the square root of 5.9. Okay, so as you can see here, I can go ahead and zoom in to my values here. And over here, these values blue, so option D is out because it's not even in between 5 and 6. And point Q is in between 5 and 6. And then also, purple, line purple, which is letter A, the square root of 5 4/10, is also out because that's in between 2 and 3, and we don't want that. We want the irrational number that's in between 5 and 6. So if we zoom into these values, if you notice here, red is closer to 6. That does not represent point Q. However, the black line represents point Q because, like I said before, it's closest to 5.5, but it's a little bit less than. So right there, if you see 5.5, and then there's the black line, I can click on that, and there's my answer, which is going to be B, the correct answer.